Alright everybody, second tournament of the year. Let's get started. One of my favorite spots that has not been kind to me this year, but we'll see how it turns out. We got 13 people in this derby, spread out across 4 different bodies of water. So I'm at one of them, and if you watched my channel before, you'll probably not recognize the body of water, because I come here frequently enough. But we'll see if they're biting today. I have a good feeling about the weather pattern. It's just a matter if I get them in the boat. Didn't fish clean last tournament, and this is my chance to make up for that a little bit. So let's get started. All right, took a while today, but finally got one. Spinnerbait. Coming in clutch, per usual. All right. Calm down. First fish of the tournament, 13-incher. Here we go. See ya. Slack cutter. All right. Took almost an hour to get that bite, but only need 3. Now, fairly doubt that's gonna be a fish I have at the end if other people are doing well, but getting the stink off is important. Weird that all the places I thought I would get a bite wouldn't be the place that's flat calm. Kind of odd. But nothing surprises me with fishing. One nice thing about this place, very rarely do you catch a short fish. Like 13 inches is about as small as I catch them here. Which is nice for a tournament, but oh, there's some bait up there. Oh, there we go. That's a bigger fish. That is a big fish. Gotta keep him down. Let's see again. Not that big, but that's nice. When I saw that bait moving, might have my drag not set very well. Kept him from jumping, that's all that matters. A little bit of mess right here. It's alright. It's a nice fish. Not a bad one at all on the Venom lure spinnerbait. Oh, I had him hooked. Good. He was not coming off. $15.75. Not bad little fish. Second one of the night. Not too shabby. I think we've got something figured out. He was on a bed based on that tail. It looked like he was guarding one. That might be why they're kind of tough to find today. explain it a little bit. Bound to get a third one. Yep. This one's even bigger. No, he's not. Just gonna bow flip this guy. They're just fighting really hard today. I don't know why. But I mean, you see, I'm like, they've got that rod down. Just stuffed. Kept limit off anyway. First tackle limit of the year anyway. Nice. Limit done. That's 3 fish and 4 casts. They're fighting so hard today. I mean, I don't mind that now that I have a limit, but a little stressful. Last year I started off with a spinner and then I switched to a slobber knocker and started really catching them. But I was trying to throw that earlier and I was just getting so many weeds. Spinnerbait just gets through the weeds better. There's another one. Man, they're all just fighting. Oh, I think this will help, actually. Surprisingly, I think he's longer than 13. Might not be. We'll see. A bunch of clones over here, though. Yeah. Call 1/4 inch. He lays, oh, 1/2 inch. Longer than I thought. Number 4, 1/2 inch coal. And they're just slamming the spinnerbait. They're all in this little divot. All males though. I think the big mamas have gone somewhere else. Really seems that way. Just missed another one. Wind died down just a tad. Would prefer. Makes things a heck of a lot easier. Well, 4 keepers is most bass keeping size I've caught this year. It's been a slow year, but it's picking up. Still got about 3 hours. Plenty of time for some upgrading. Perfectly honest, both of those 13 inchers, I have them around at the end of the tournament. I'm not smelling anything. Here's the Now, unfortunately, you're not going to see the next part, which is me catching the biggest fish of the evening. And part of the reason for this was that my camera was turned off, but also because the battery got jostled loose. So I wasn't even aware that it was off. Now, you'll see the release of it, at least, and then it on the board. Also apologize for the water spot that was on my camera. I didn't realize that until well later in the day, and it was kind of too late. But here's the release. Well, there goes the hunchback of Notre Bass. See ya. Wow. Small one.